Don't do it anymore.
Here? What the fuck is that?
On Facebook, what is that?
I don't know.
Dude, I saw this on the internet.
I did too. I can't believe this is happening. What the fuck? Come on, do it again. People are gonna think we're nuts. No shit, dude. I can't believe that just fucking happened. Did you hear it? I know, but I remember seeing recordings about this. Look for all these moths.
Walking in the